Dear viewers, I am Zishan. Today we are going to have a discussion on a very interesting topic. We use language daily, but perhaps we don't know what does language actually do for us and how many types of language use exist. We can use language in a number of ways. You must have guessed today's topic, which is what is language and what does it do for us. So let's start the discussion. Those who are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you. Let's define language first. Language is a system of communication. Now, what is communication? It is a mode of exchange of ideas, thoughts, feelings, or information. The question arises, if language is a communication, how can we communicate? What are the possible ways of communicating our ideas to others? We can communicate, number one, verbally. When we use words orally, not in written form, we are using verbal expression of language. In this method, we use sounds, individual letters, words or sentences when we speak. Communication can be non-verbal as well. Non-verbal use of language includes body gestures and movements. When we are using body gestures and movements with our body parts to communicate our ideas, we are using non-verbal form of language to communicate ourselves to others. When we use non-verbal form of language, we use facial expressions, we wave hands, we nod our heads, we wink our eyes, we stare at others, we close our fists to show our anger. Communication can also be written. When something is expressed through the medium of writing, when we observe words, letters, sentences, journals, newspapers in the written form, we are using the written form of language. Or when we read or understand something through the medium of writing, when we read some words, letters or sentences in some book or newspaper or in some journal, we are trying to understand. So when we read something and try to understand something out of it through the medium of writing, we are using the written form of language. We use written form for two purposes. We write something in order to be understood by others when they read it, or when we read something to understand something through the medium of writing. Fourth type of communication happens to be visual, something that we look towards and understand something. We are using visual form of language, or visual form of language is happening. For example, when we look at signboards while walking on the roads or in the streets, visual form of language is there. For example, when we look at pictures and try to figure out something, or when we look at some images on the internet, on the pages of books, etc., we do try to understand or figure out what is being communicated to us. Let's recapitulate the whole idea of this presentation. First of all, definition of language. Language is a means of communication in which we communicate our ideas, our feelings, our thoughts to others. There are four main types of communication. Number one, verbal or oral, in which we use our speaking skills. Number two, non-verbal use of language. It includes the use of body language to express one's self. Number three, written form of language, communication through the medium of writing. Number four, visual form of expression. In this form, communication is expressed through images or pictures, etc. Can you guess what will be our next video? The language of animals versus the language of human beings. So let's wait for this next video. It will be popping up soon. Thank you so much for listening to me. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon.